Hello and welcome to the Valure Beauty Channel. Whatever brought you here, whether you are a beauty enthusiast, a professional looking to expand your knowledge about beauty, or you are just stepping into the beauty world, we welcome you here with open arms. First impressions, they say, last longer. This is why you need to take your outward appearance seriously. Apart from being able to give a good first impression, taking your outward appearance seriously also makes you feel good about yourself. It boosts your confidence. While beauty is relative to individuals, it generally includes traits such as facial features, skin tones, hairstyles, and others. The idea behind creating this YouTube channel is to share with you the latest beauty trends, styles, how-tos, and other essential beauty information. Many women desire to start their journey into the beauty world, but they do not know where to start. On this channel, we will hold you by the hand and journey through the beauty world with you. Hence, you will access beauty tips and the latest trends without any barriers. What sets us apart from other YouTube channels is the fact that we cater to all your beauty needs. Whether you're looking for hair care tips, nail care tips, facial tips, skincare routines, or other beauty-related topics, you will find them on our channel. Rest assured that our content is up to date, so you will find the latest beauty trends as well. What are you still waiting for? Consider this an official invitation to join the Valure family. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And we'll see you in the beauty world.